More important customer, this is also from Sovmiku security camera company. Today, let me show you how to set up this very nice solar battery powered camera, CQ4 and CQ4 Black. We got the white one and the black one. You have to remove this waterproof rubber cover. Press this power button for 6 seconds to turn on the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the camera will be turned on. And double click the power button to reset the camera. 1, 2. The camera will be reset. You have to go to the Google Play or App Store, download the Vicohome application. Go to the Google Play, search the Vicohome, V-I-C-O-H-O-M-E, Vicohome. Search it, Vicohome smart home camera. I already have it, so I just open it. Click top right corner, there is add button. Add a new device. Allow Vicohome to discover and connect to the device nearby. Allow all the time. I hear the sound. Next up, choose your device. Select the CQ4 and select your Wi-Fi and input your Wi-Fi password. Next, confirm. Connecting. Connection succeeds.
Connection succeeded.
And you can name your camera at any name. I named it as CQ4. Next. And select your home location. I set it to the front door. Next. Device added successfully. And let's start. Next stop. How do you plan to use your device? I set it to the solar panel. Enable auto on after charging. Select this option, serve, and master of the motion detection. Adjust the height and angle. Mounting the camera. We are all done. And refresh it. Play live video. Okay, and if there are any other questions, please email us at sovmiku@163.com. Your distractions are very important to us. Enjoy your camera, enjoy your life. Life is fantastic.